Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to prepare a tangy and delectable spicy Thai fish recipe. Ingredients: 4 boneless white fish fillets, such as tilapia or cod. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1-inch piece of ginger, minced. 2-3 Thai bird's eye chilies, adjust to your spice preference, finely chopped. 1 red bell pepper, thinly sliced. 1 yellow bell pepper, thinly sliced. 1 small onion, thinly sliced. 1 can, 14 ounces, coconut milk. 2 tablespoons Thai red curry paste. 2 tablespoons fish sauce. 1 tablespoon sugar. Juice of 1 lime. Fresh cilantro leaves for garnish. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: prepare the fish. Rinse the fish fillets under cold water and pat them dry with paper towels. Season both sides of the fish fillets with salt and pepper. Set aside. Prepare the sauce. In a small bowl, mix the Thai red curry paste, fish sauce, sugar, and lime juice. Stir until well combined. This will be your spicy Thai sauce. Cook the fish. Heat a large skillet or frying pan over medium-high heat. Add the vegetable oil and swirl it around to coat the pan evenly. Place the fish fillets in the hot pan and cook for about 3-4 minutes on each side or until they are golden brown and flake easily with a fork. Remove the cooked fish fillets from the pan and set them aside on a plate. Prepare the vegetables. In the same pan, add a bit more oil if needed. Add the minced garlic, minced ginger, and chopped Thai bird's eye chilies. Sauté for about 1-2 minutes until fragrant. Add vegetables and coconut milk. Add the sliced red and yellow bell peppers and onion to the pan. Stir fry for another 2-3 minutes until the vegetables start to soften. Pour in the coconut milk and stir well, combining it with the vegetables and aromatic ingredients. Combine sauce and cook. Pour the prepared spicy Thai sauce into the pan with the coconut milk and vegetables. Stir to combine all the ingredients. Allow the sauce to simmer for about 2-3 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Return fish to the pan. Gently place the cooked fish fillets back into the pan with the sauce. Spoon some of the sauce over the fish to coat it. Simmer for an additional 2-3 minutes until the fish is heated through. Serve. Remove the pan from heat. Garnish the dish with fresh cilantro leaves. Your spicy Thai fish is now ready to be served. This tangy and delectable dish pairs wonderfully with steamed jasmine rice or noodles. Enjoy your homemade Thai-inspired culinary creation.